Viewers, let's talk about the Swati Maliwal case. Well, 9 days after the alleged assault inside his house made headlines, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has finally broken his silence. In his first reaction to AAP MP Swati Maliwal's alleged assault, Kejriwal said he expects a fair investigation into the matter and justice should be served. In an interview to a news agency, PTI, the Chief Minister said the matter is currently sub judice and his comment might affect the proceedings. He added that there are two versions of the event and police should investigate both versions fairly. Now, scoffing at CM's comments, Swati Maliwal called it a case of irony dying 1,000 deaths. She said that after calling her a BJP agent, assassinating her character, leaking videos, victim shaming, leaking videos, victim shaming, and then roaming with the accused, letting him tamper with evidence and protesting in favor of the accused, she refuses to buy it when the CM says he wants fair and investigation should be held immediately. Well, in the middle of this, AAP convener has claimed that the police will come to interrogate his old and ailing parents today. While he did not specify the reason, sources have told Times Now that police will be visiting his residence to verify Swati Maliwal's claims that on May 13, she had met Kejriwal's parents and wife before the alleged assault took place. This counters AAP's version that she had barged into the CM's residence without permission before she was attacked. Now, attacking the BJP over the issue, Aam Aadmi Party claimed that ever since Kejriwal has come out on interim bail, multiple conspiracies are being hatched by the BJP against him. Atishi, in fact, alleged that Delhi police was acting at the behest of the Prime Minister and that the people of Delhi will respond to it with their votes. Others in party called it low-level malicious politics by the centre. The BJP, however, is asking CM how he allow the assault to happen while his parents were on the premises.
अरविंद केजरीवाल के बूढ़े और बीमार माँ बाप को नोटिस भेजकर बुलाया है। दिल्ली पुलिस के द्वारा उनको अपमानित करने की योजना बनाई है। उनके बूढ़े माँ बाप को तंग करने की, परेशान करने की एक ऐसी कोशिश की है जिसकी जितनी निंदा की जाए कम है।
के लिए पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी के वीडियो सामने आ गए। जब स्वाति मालीवाल जी का किस्सा नहीं चला तो ईडी से आम आदमी पार्टी के फंडिंग पर आरोप लगाए। सालों पुराने मैटर जिनके सारे जवाब दे दिए गए हैं, उनको गाड़ के ले आए और कहा कि आम आदमी पार्टी फॉरेन फंडिंग ले रही है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी अपनी दिल्ली पुलिस को कल भेज रहे हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के बुजुर्ग माता पिता से पूछताछ करने के लिए।